Jamie with threelittlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. So today we are going to be making some blueberry soap. Last time I made a blueberry soap, it kind of went awry and it almost seized up on me. If you haven't checked out that video, I'll link it down in the description box. And the blueberry seems to have striked again. The soap turned out wonderful. It was a great fragrance. It worked wonderfully. But when you start to see the video, you'll understand why it struck again, because I started to film with an overhead as well as a secondary, and during this entire soap making process, my overhead had overheated right in the beginning and shut down without me even realizing it. So the angle's a little bit weird, but hopefully it'll get the point across. So when you see me like holding my hands up, it's because I'm using the overhead camera that isn't working. But I love how the soap turned out, so I figured I would share it with you guys anyway, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. Alright everyone, so today I'm going to make some blueberry soap, and we're just going to kind of play it by ear, like always. I had a plan, but it's too hot to plan. But I'm going to be using blueberry fragrance oil from Crafter's Choice. Supposedly it doesn't accelerate or rice, it behaves well. The last time I made a blueberry soap though, it didn't go so well. I'll link that down in the description box. Did not go well. So hopefully this blueberry plays a little bit nicely. I am, for colorants, going to be using a combination of black night mica with some of the dark navy blue, just to darken it up a little bit. And then some electric blue and some gorgeous blue from Crafter's Choice and Nurture Soap. And then just a smidge of titanium dioxide, because this does have vanillin in it. It does discolor a little bit, which I'm fine with, but I'm going to try to limit the amount of browning it does. I need lots of things, but I can never seem to find them. My strainer. Alright, I'm going to be using my strainer because I did have a little bit of lye lint on this. No big deal, but I don't want it in my soap, so I'm just going to strain it. And I am using a beer solution, which if you don't know how to make beer soap, or you want to learn how to make beer soap, I do have a video dedicated to just beer soap. So let's get mixing. I'm just going to bring this to a very light trace. I'm just going to try and separate these out. Those two colors look a little too close for my liking. What do we got? I'm gonna add just a smidge of Pow Pow Purple by Mad Micas into that one, just to make it a little different, because they look, I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but they're looking awfully similar. That's better. It's not a big difference in color, but it makes me feel better. Let's get some of this stuff, move it out of the way, because we got stuff everywhere. So now is the fun part of adding in our fragrance and wishing for the best. You know? Oh, that smells so good though. So good. Oh. I planted a couple blueberry bushes this year in the front. If you've seen my Homestead tour, you'll see them in there. But oh my gosh, our pasture is just like overrun right now with blackberries. I have made, I think, 14 quarts of blackberry jam. I've made some blackberry cobbler, blackberry and apple crisp, just so much blackberry. So I can't wait till next year when we get some blueberries into the mix. And strawberries. I planted strawberries too. And a couple of more blackberries that are thornless because unfortunately, all the ones in the pasture are thorned. So it's an adventure. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do an in the pot swirl. And then move this one here. But yeah, be sure to, if you don't already know, I do have a blog. And while I am only putting videos out once a week right now on the YouTube channel, be sure to check the blog out every week because I'm posting new articles and printables and everything on there. I've got a Homestead printable. It's 25 pages of just ways to keep you organized on your homestead. I'm coming out with expansion packs. Yeah, that's the word for it. Expansion packs for it for your animals. And if you do sell your goods, how to track your expenses and your profits. Those will be coming out in the next few weeks. And there's soaping articles out the wazoo as well. I think I just finished writing an article on naming conventions and that for if you plan on selling your soap. So by the time this video comes out, that should be posted. All right, I'm just going to give that just a quick little swirl. And we're going to pour this in. That smells so good. Oh, now I want to go and snack on some blueberries. I think I still have some left in the house if the kids haven't consumed them all. Let's just make a big old mess. All right. And I'm just going to try to scrape as much as I can out of these. There's not much left in them. Because the more soap I can get out of them, the less soap I have to wash out of them, you know? That's probably my least favorite part of soaping is washing all of the dishes. Because I don't put them in the dishwasher. I don't like that. I don't know why. I could probably just stick them in the dishwasher, but to me they don't come out as clean as if when you're hand washing them. And besides, I like to let them sit out for a day to harden, and then it's a lot easier to clean them up. Oh, Whew, I have made quite the mess. I'm going to take off one of my messy gloves. I'm just going to give this a quick swirl. All right, I'm going to give this a quick spritz of rubbing alcohol, and I'm going to actually oven process this in my oven. If you don't know what oven processing is, or you want to learn how to do it, I do have a video on that as well that I will link down below, and I will see you guys when it is time to cut. All right, so we are ready to cut our blueberry soap. It definitely did discolor quite a bit, even though the reviews said it, or the actual website said it only discolored slightly. I'd say this is a little bit more than slightly. But we'll open it. See, yes, we're going to open it. We're having surgery on it. We're going to cut it open and see what it looks like. But it does smell delicious. Oh my gosh, look at that. Would you look at that? How gorgeous are all those blues? Now, of course, it is going to discolor a little bit more now that it's cut open, but it's okay. It is what it is. It still smells amazing, and I think it looks pretty freaking amazing too. So, I will see you guys in the outro. So, that is what I have got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!